Hey everyone, welcome back to CoinXplore. Today we're diving into a very interesting coin from the Middle East, the Oman 10 Baisa coin from 1999. But here's the big question. Can this small coin really be worth $244? Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll reveal the real value, rare features, and how you can check if your coin is valuable. This coin comes from the beautiful country of Oman. Basic details. Year, 1999. Also marked as 1420 in Islamic calendar. Denomination, 10 Baisa, 0.01 Omani Rial. Weight, around 4.1 grams. Diameter, about 22 millimeters. Material, copper-plated steel. This coin was part of everyday circulation, meaning millions of people used it for daily transactions. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where things get interesting. Obverse front. You'll see the national emblem of Oman, crossed swords with a Khanjar dagger. Above it, Arabic text reads the name of the ruler, Sultan Qaboos bin Said. Reverse back, the value 10 Baisa. The year in both Hijri, Islamic, and Gregorian, 1999 formats. This design represents Oman's rich culture and leadership. In 1999, Oman was under the rule of Sultan Qaboos, who played a major role in modernizing the country. Coins from this era are very popular among collectors because they represent a time of transformation in Oman's history. Now, let's address the big question. Is this coin really worth $244? The honest answer is, no, not usually. According to real market data, circulated coin value, around 50 cents to $1. Even in excellent condition, less than $1 in most cases. So, where does the $244 claim come from? It usually comes from misleading listings, fake online prices, or extremely rare errors, which are very uncommon. Important, always verify with trusted coin catalogs before believing high values. Now here's the exciting part. Your coin could be valuable if it has a mint error, misprint, off-center strike. It is in UNC, uncirculated condition. It's part of a rare batch or proof version, or sold in a special collector's set. Some listings show rare variations reaching higher prices, but those are exceptions, not the norm. So always check carefully. Here's how you can check your coin at home. Look for scratches or damage, shine and condition, alignment and printing errors, weight and size accuracy. You can also use coin identification apps. Compare with online catalogs. Ask in collector communities. This can help you discover hidden value. So, the Oman 10 Baisa 1999 coin is a beautiful historical piece, but not usually worth hundreds of dollars. Still, it's a great collectible and a perfect start for beginners in coin collecting. Tell me in the comments, do you have this coin? And where did you find it? Like this video, subscribe to CoinXplore, share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video, where we explore more coins that could make you rich.